Hi guys! In this video you will learn how to improve your map awareness in COD Warzone Mobile. While to do that, regularly glance at your minimap to track teammate positions, enemy movements, and objective locations. Understand spawn points and anticipate where enemies will appear. Watching competitive matches can help you learn spawn patterns. Gather intel from your team and the minimap, then actively decide how to use that information. In Search and Destroy, develop an internal timer to check for flanks after a set time. Adjust your positioning accordingly. Set your minimap shape to square for better readability, and adjust music volume to 0 to focus on audio cues. Communicate enemy location and use pings effectively. This interpersonal skill require practice and game awareness. Push preferred spawns to manipulate enemy spawns and capture objectives. Keep your eyes on the minimap without losing sight of the main screen. Adjust the safe area to compress the radar closer to the center. Familiarize yourself with map layouts, high traffic areas, and common routes taken by players. Continuously refine your map awareness by analyzing gameplay, learning from your mistakes, and adapting to new situations. Pay attention to the footsteps, gunfire, and other audio cues. Use stereo headphones for better directional awareness. Position yourself on elevated terrain for better visibility and control over the map. Understand the flow of the game and anticipate where players are likely to move next. Rotate strategically to stay ahead. Use the Dead Silence perk to move silently and catch opponents off guard. Prioritize objectives, example capturing points, planting bombs, based on the situation. Adjust your awareness accordingly. Learn common callouts for specific areas on each map. Clear communication with teammates is essential. Observe how opponents play aggressively, defensively, or stealthy. Adapt your awareness to counter their tactics. And that's how to improve your map awareness in COD Warzone Mobile. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching.